This is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then among the available control panel shortcuts, touch and hold at the nearby share icon, and in order to enable it, just switch on this toggle over here. Now, you can rename your device if you want to, make it visible or invisible respectively, and change the data mode that will be utilized for the file transfer. Now, since the feature is all ready to be used, let's test it out and see how well it can receive the photo, let's say. And as you can see, the image was successfully sent and received. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.